Good day, everyone. My name is Shulanke Abiodun. I'm the facilitator of Teach Yourself Accounting Softwares movement. Okay. This video will explain in details on how to work with your chart of accounts. All right. But before I go into that, I would like to explain in details what is chart of account. Now, chart of account is a general ledger. Now, what is ledger? As we all know in our investors days, that a ledger is a principal books of account, right? So chart of account in this regards is an account where your transactions are charged to. If you are dealing with expenses, whatsoever transaction that occur on that expenses, where will it be charged to? Of course, you know that it will be charged to expense account, right? If you are buying, if you are selling, which account will it be reflecting? That's the meaning of the chart of account I'm talking about. If I'm selling, you know that it will be reflecting my sales account. If I'm buying, it will be reflecting my purchase account. So in a broad sense, your chart of account is a general ledger, which contains individual ledgers as well. But in this video, I will just try and do the introduction part of it. Then my next video, you can enjoy more on chart of accounts. Okay, so now how do I find my way in there? Now you can see my mouse pointer, move to chart of accounts. Do you see that? Then double click on it. Now this is your chart of accounts. Now this account you are seeing here, they are default accounts. And if you could remember when I was creating a company name, when I selected general service based business, you know, a pop-up of chart of accounts came up. And I told you that the nature of your industry is a function of a chart of account the software brings to you. But this chart of accounts here, they are subject to change. You can change them, you can edit them, you can modify them, you can delete them, and you can create new one. So they are not constant, they are subject to change, right? Okay, so these are the accounts we have on the system, but as time goes on, we'll be editing and creating new accounts. Okay, now you can see this account receivables of 200,000 naira. And I just click on my chart of account and I'm seeing this figure. So what must have come to my mind is that, oh, I think I've created a customer that was owing us. So that's the reason why you are seeing this amount. And if you are still confused, let's check. So you go back to home, then go to your customer center. Do you see that? I created the customer, a Samsung customer that is owing us 200,000 naira. Do you see that now? So, and you know that in accounting, if a customer defaults in payment, automatically it returns to account receivables, right? So that's why you're seeing that amount here. So don't be surprised. It's not the magic. This is accounting, right? So that's why you're saying this 200,000 there. And if you see this account payables, right? Okay, if you are still confused, let's check. So you move to your vendor center. You see 100,000 there. So this 100,000 naira is as a result of us creating a a vendor name, a vendor, a supplier that we are owing. So, and you know that if we are owing a supplier or a vendor, automatically it is an account payable. If we default in payment, if we haven't paid them, automatically it will create an account payables. So that's why we are saying this account payables and account receivables. So I think I've clarified that. So others are 000. So you will see as we create an account on them. So now, before I proceed. Now I would like to explain something. Now under our chart of accounts, there is something we call codes. We use codes in QuickBooks. Sage is compulsory for you, you have to use codes. But in QuickBooks, you might use code and you might not use codes. It depends. But for clarity purpose and in a bit to enhance accountability, I would suggest that you use codes. So, but you can see that there is nothing like codes here now. Ranging from account receivables to telephone expenses, there is no codes. There's only bulletins. So now how do you activate the codes? So before we go into that, okay, let us activate the codes first. So you move to your mouse pointer to edit. And you click on preferences. You see that? Then accounting, then click on my company preferences. Then you click on use account numbers. Then click on OK. You see that? You can see automatically we now have account codes. Right? Now, but let me explain the meaning of these account codes. You see that number one, if you see account receivable, which is an asset account, start with 1. Accumulated depreciation, which is an asset account, start with 1. So what the implication is that if you are creating any account on assets, be it current assets, be it not current assets, be it tangible assets, be it amortization, accumulated depreciation. So whatever account you are creating on assets, it must start with 1. So it could be 11,000, 10,000, 12,000, 40,000, but it must start with 1, right? If you are creating any account on liabilities, be it pension payable, be it pay payable, be it sales tax payable, it must start with 2. Do you see that now? 2, 2, 2. So if you are creating an account on your equity, your retainers, owner's drawings, owner's capital, owner's contribution, it must start with 3, right? So if you are creating any account on income, be it sales income, be it discount received, be it rent income, be it interest income, be it direct income or indirect income, it must start with 4, right? And if you are creating any account on your cost of sales, that's cost of purchases, it must start with 5, right? And if you are creating any account on your expenses, it must start with 6, all right? So that's that on chart of account, the traditional part of chart of accounts. So I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel to enjoy more videos on QuickBooks. Okay, so thank you very much. God bless you.